Ang formula ng area ng square ay A is equals to S squared. Ibig sabihin ng S ay yung sides ng square at iyon ay equal. Ibig sabihin pantay yung sukat ng apat na side ng square. So para makuha natin yung area ng square, we need to square the four sides. So example, yung side natin ay equal to 5.8 cm. So para makuha natin yung area ng square, we need to square 5.8. So paano yun, no? So we have A is equals to 5.8 cm squared. So 5.8 cm squared. So same yan ng 5.8 times 5.8 cm. So our area of square is 33.64 cm squared. So, ito na yung area ng ating square.